Today's video is different. It is an exclusive vlog from New York Fashion Week. Being a nail artist and being able to work for Fashion Week is rewarding. I will show you behind the scenes of New York Fashion Week and the nails I created for the shows. Come with me. First of all, a shout out to my mentor and the nail lead for Fashion Week, Pattie Yankee. She has been leading her nail team for decades, and I am beyond grateful being a part of the team Pattie Yankee Products. She designed all the nails we created in this video. Thank you so much for the opportunity. The day one. This is the color we use for the show. Perfect. It's me working on the models alongside Ashley and the rest of the team. We're all in this together. I love her shape. And this is the amazing nail team for the day. The day two. I was excited about this show because I was asked to create the press-on nails for the designer, Bach. I am working on the nails here in my apartment. My dog is my supervisor. And this is the final look, an ombre design, peach pink to orange, using Pattie Yankee products.
We can take the box up. I can actually use the box.
I'm working with Shakira and the rest of the team. Of course, the models know how to pose. I love watching the professionals work together. And the show has begun. It was so beautiful and inspiring. Okay, now let's go back to the hotel room and get ready for the next day. I was asked to create another nail tips for the designer, Naeem Khan. We usually have less than 1 week to create nails for each designer. My portion for this season was over 1,000 nails to make. No questions asked. I am committed, so make time and make it work. This is how I created black ombre nails for Naeem Khan. I'm using Be Kind and Fill the Void for ombre. The tips are clear Inspire nails by Pattie Yankee products. They have adhesive on the back, making them perfect for the runway. I apply Be Kind on the nail bed side. Then I apply Fill the Void on the tip side. I use this mini blender sponge which I got from Ulta. Keep tapping to blend the black color. Repeat the steps. The key is to use a fine sponge. It makes it easy for you. I was fully booked with my clients during the day, so I got up at 4 a.m. and went to sleep late. I have no excuses. It reminded me of my competition days. And I made it.
Hey, gorgeous, you want to get that?
Backstage, sometimes you have to sit low, and sometimes you have to stand. The models are just stunning. Sometimes the models lose a nail after they get dressed, so we have to fix it quickly before the show starts. And the show has begun. This venue is just amazing. Built in 1848, it is one of the oldest synagogues in New York. Another successful day. I was excited about this location. It's in Rockefeller Center. Shakira and Christine created today's show, Pamella Roland's Nails. Due to the capacity of the venue, we were not allowed to watch the show. But I mean, how gorgeous are those dresses? And we did it again. Hey everybody! We were on the way home, walking from Rockefeller Center to Penn Station. We stopped by Ray's Pizza. Thank you, Patty. And of course, take a photo in Times Square. The last day. I knew it was going to be an intense day because we will be doing 3 shows in one day in the same venue.
They said we can do whatever we want. Like, there's going to be like 10, 10, 10. So we're just trying to do 10 of each style. So once you reach 10, if somebody really wants a certain kind of nail, you can put it on them. So I would take like a strip of each, but we just got it. We can't have everybody get the same thing. So
the show number 1, Courtney, Cara, and Shakira created these nails. The show number 2. Ashley and Cara made these nails. They're so cute. Around this time, things got really hectic. We didn't even have a moment to take photos of team members working. Meanwhile, this was happening on the backstage. Anna was talking to Patty and choosing her nails. And just like that, I applied her nails. Natalie created for her nails and the show number 3.
This is when you get some free jams. That's that. Nice.
Ted Gibson is working on his magic. And Anna is ready to hit the runway. That's a wrap. We did it. Once again, thank you so much for the fantastic opportunities, Patty and the team members. Do you know what these ladies have in common? Their mindset, work ethic, and creativity are top notch. What a blessing to be able to work with them. It's always a great time and a learning experience. Thank you for watching until the end. If you liked this video, click the like button and comment on your favorite nail designs. See you next time.